Service in Paducah has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Hardin County, Illinois, southeastern Gallatin County, Illinois, west central Union County in northwestern Kentucky until 8 p.m. At 7:26 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located near Shawnee Town, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Morganfield around 7:40 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Old Shawnee Town. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Gallatin and Hardin, and Union, Kentucky. Severe thunderstorm warning for central Jackson County, Illinois, northern Bollinger County, Missouri, Perry County, Missouri, northwestern Cape Girardeau County, Missouri, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:26 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles southwest of St. Mary to Buckhorn, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Farmingdale, Perryville, Murfreesboro, Marble Hill, Bollinger Mill State Historic Site, DeSoto, Graham Tower, Altenburg, Patton, Millersville, Burfordville, Daisy, Alliance, Trona, Oak Ridge, Gorham, Sedgwickville, Pocahontas, Longtown, and Old Appleton. This includes Interstate 55 between mile markers 107 and 139. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. for the following county: Jackson, Illinois, and the following counties in Missouri: Bollinger, Cape Girardeau, and Perry. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 8:15 p.m.